Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video, we're gonna be showing you guys a 1970 C10. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a big like. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to film your truck.
No problem.
What do we got over here?
What? Well, this is a 1970 factory short bed C10. This is the top trim. This is what they call a CST, sports custom truck.
Okay.
And this is equipped with a 396 big block, which is an awesome motor. Great sound. You'll hear it in a little bit.
And the paint looks amazing, really well taken care of.
Yeah, bow tie black.
How long have you had it?
About a year.
About a year?
Yeah, got it from Waco, Texas.
Okay.
Fell in love with it right on the video screen and ordered it.
And what made you get this C10, this type of C10?
Taking off.
Okay.
We gotta.
You guys just
fucked it up.
My wife, she only signed
All right, bro, go. This is one of the top trims that they provided in 1970. A custom sport truck, that's what it stands for.
Custom sports truck.
Yeah,
okay.
This is a short wheel base truck. Just an awesome truck. I don't daily it. This is a kind of like a weekend thing. Kids love it. Wife loves it.
It's nice.
Yeah.
And what are some of the mods that you have done to it since
Well,
you got it?
We got a couple mods. We got the one-piece window.
Okay.
Normally they would have a butterfly window there.
Over here.
So they did a one-piece window, which looks a little bit more modern, looks cleaner. You know, I don't know if it's as effective as far as air getting in the cab, but it's got AC. It's got a tilt wheel column. It's got power brakes. Nice. Doesn't have power windows, so you still got to use some of your old school muscles.
It's old school.
Yeah. But the truck came with the tank delete right here. There used to be a neck filler.
Okay.
So they obviously did some body work there, and they relocated it into the in the back of the bed, the fuel cell. It's a 15-gallon tank, Holley fuel pump, right into a Holley carburetor. So.
Nice. And how many horses you say it has?
It's not a lot. I would say 360 to 380.
To me, that's more than enough.
Yeah.
And these little trucks, that's a lot of power.
Oh, yeah.
That is a lot of power.
Yep. It's very light on the rear end, so it'll break loose if it needs to.
So moving on to the interior, what do we got over here?
Well, you got the traditional column tilt, which allows you to, adjust the steering up and down, which is kind of nice, convenient. I also did a Kenwood Radio aftermarket, a little bit better sound. We did the 6.5 kick panels, kicker, and actually behind the seat there's two 12s where the fuel tank used to be, and those are Kenwood, powered by a Kenwood amp. So it sounds really, really nice, and it's a nice cruiser, especially with the engine. After 50, 60 miles an hour, it gets kind of loud, so to enjoy the tunes is really nice. Also, the AC works really nice.
You gotta have AC done in South Florida.
Yeah, it's very hot today. You got the carpet's very clean. We got a brand new OEM, I believe it's surplus dash. I like the old custom look. I want to keep this truck period correct. So this is a very honest, clean truck.
It is.
I've never seen one like this, so that's why I'm super in love with this one. And also the seats are bucket seats, and the pattern's called a houndstooth interior. And it also has the vinyl doors with the wood trim, gives it a nice touch.
It
And it
does.
matches the vinyl on the outside of the trim as well.
Very nice, man. Very nice
Thank
interior.
you. Thank you.
Very nice interior. Is the AC original from the
Original.
car? So it's
original.
not aftermarket?
No, and it works great.
Nice.
Yep.
Very nice. And I see that the dash is not cracked or anything.
No, yeah, it's a nice
And,
dash pad.
Yeah, many trucks from this years, the dashboard is fully cracked.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Very
This
nice
is definitely
interior,
a clean example of a 1970 C10.
Very nice interior.
Thank you.
So what do we got over here?
So we got a big block 396. Not much performance add-ons. Like I said, I like to keep it mild. It's got a mild cam, Edelbrock intake carburetor as well. Also, I got rid of the mechanical fuel pump and I put a Edelbrock inline power fuel pump just so it gets adequate fuel delivery. You know, down here in South Florida, you want to make sure you're feeding the truck the proper fuel and the amount of it, because you don't want it to starve. So like I said, it's a great runner. Right now it's probably like 95, 96 degrees and we made it here no problem.
What do we got over here?
All right, so we're gonna start with the bed liner. It's got a spray-on bed liner. You know, I want it to be a functional truck as well. Occasionally I'll go to Home Depot, grab some mulch, put it in here. Not too heavy items, but you know, little things. Also got a nice big back window. I really like this look. This is one of the nicest looks. When they have that small window, it's kind of cramped, you feel. With the nice big window, it's looks better in my opinion as well.
And for those that are watching this video and don't know, trucks that have the big back window and short bed without the step side are usually more expensive than the ones that have the small window with a long bed and the step side bed.
Right, exactly.
So
like I said, this is one of the top trims that Chevrolet was offering in 1970 with the CST package.
okay.
It gets you the trim and a couple extra desired items. Next thing I want to talk about is these Billet specialty wheels. 20s in the back by 10 and in the front 20s by 8. Really nice clean looking wheels. These are pretty popular out in the market. Really easy to clean and they look really nice with the truck.
They definitely look nice in this type of trucks.
And back here, you know, we have a nice chrome bumper that is brand new. That was a reproduction piece and got some nice Chevrolet lettering. That's, in my opinion, that's what really drew me into the truck, is that whole tailgate. And I love the way it looks.
I have to agree.
Yep.
You know that I have filmed some of these trucks before, and I've seen, I don't know if they come like that or something that the owners put. Some of them you put gas through the tail light.
Right. Well, like I said, we moved it. Well, I didn't move it, but it's behind the tailgate. It's inside the bed, and it's a lot easier and it's a lot safer. These factory trucks had the fuel tank behind the seats, and it always smelled like fuel, or, you know, it just wasn't as safe. This is way better, easier to fill, in my opinion, and it just gives it a clean look.
Something that a lot of people nowadays do with these old school trucks is they bag them. They put air suspension.
Right.
But as we can see, you didn't do that.
Right. I like. Don't get me wrong, William. I love bag trucks. This is a 50-year-old truck. It's survived this long. I believe, you know, if I'm the one who cut it up, I would feel a little guilty about it. But as you guys see, I mean, the truck sits really nice.
It does.
Right. So what we did with the lowering, we did a 1.5 inch lowering block in the back with CPP springs. I believe they're 4 inches in the back, and then with the 1.5 inch lowering block, so that gives it a nice little status stand there. And in the front, we did street edge spindle drop 3 inches with 4 inch CPP coil springs, and that's what gives it this nice
Stance.
subtle stance.
It looks
and I
very
love
nice.
it. It's
No,
great. It
me
rides
too.
great. No complaints.
Me too. What type of exhaust system do you have in it?
It's got the Black Widow 3 inch just dump outs right after the converter.
It sounds very nice, and in a few minutes you guys are gonna be able to listen to it. Overall, the truck is an amazing truck, man. It looks nice. It looks like it handles very good too.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't handle like a truck. I saw you driving down the street, and I mean, you left me behind. All right, so let me hear how it sounds.
All right.
Very nice.
So that was about 4,000 RPM. For you guys that want to hear the Black Widow exhaust, that's what it sounds like. I love it. I think this is one of the best sounding trucks, in my opinion, with this exhaust system and the engine combination. It's just unstoppable.
It sounds really nice, and it sounds very healthy too. You were mentioning to me before that you're selling the truck.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if people want to contact you, where can they find you?
Well, they can look me up on Facebook. Marketplace is where it's listed, and you know, just shoot me a message and I'll respond. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna put the link below.
Definitely.
So they can find me.
Exactly.
And yeah, I mean, I love it. I just want to get something else. Probably another one of these. That's just the way I roll.
So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If by any chance you guys are looking for an old school truck, don't look anymore. 1970 C10.
Yep.
A beautiful black paint. Sounds nice, looks nice. So contact him on social media. The link is gonna be in the description box of this video. And also, if it is your first time passing by the channel, don't forget to subscribe.